Good morning, children. I am back again for your science online class. As you all are aware now of COVID 19, my advice is to wash your hands at regular intervals and sanitize them properly. Obey your parents and stay at home. Be safe. Today, last day, I have taught you about the parts of the plant. Today, we will focus on the plants, what the plants give us. Plants give us many things. They are very useful for us. We get many things from them, such as they give us food. Number 1 point you see, I have written plants give us food. Now, the food. What food do the plants give? Yes, they gives fruits, nuts, vegetables. Fruits, I have written the name of apple, mango. There are many other fruits that like pomegranate, then watermelon, guava, papaya, cucumber, etc. Nuts. Nuts like walnut, almond, pistachio nut, cashew nut are all examples of nuts. Vegetables. We eat the vegetables and they are very helpful for us. You see, we eat the stem of sugarcane, that is called the vegetable. Then we eat roots of carrot and turnip. Many other roots also we eat that you will find out. Next, we also eat the leaves of some plants like cabbage, spinach and other leaves. That will be your homework to find out what other leaves do we eat. So, this chart have you seen of the food? This will help you to remember and make a picture in your mind about the food that we eat. Next, let us come to the number 2 point. Number 2, it is written that plants give us food grains. Now, this food grains word is somewhat not common to you, but today we will learn about it. Food grains can be classified into two parts like cereals and pulses. Now cereals, cereals. What is this? This consists of wheat, rice, etc. You eat rice, your mother cooks for you, and from wheat we can make that chapatis, parathas and some more other foods. Then pulses. Pulses are those you are eating masoor, moong, arhar, all these are pulses. You go to the kitchen with your mother and she will show you some more pulses. Masoor is also called lentil. But you see children, these masoor and moong are very and other pulses are also very attractive in color. They are very colorful. Let us go to the next portion. What I have written there? I have written there that plants give us fiber. This thing is also new to them. What is fiber? Fiber we get from cotton plant and the jute plant. You know children, there is another plant named flax plant. But it is not included in your chapter. For that I have excluded it. From flax plant we get linen. Its nowadays it is very common. These clothes, linen clothes, are very common nowadays and trendy also. Now cotton plant gives us, from cotton we get clothes. We make clothes from the product that we get from the cotton plant is the cloth. Now the jute plant gives us sack, ropes, mats. We make sacks, ropes, mats and other things also from the jute plant. These things I will show you one by one later on. Next I have written, plants give us wood. Wood, do you know that your pencil with which you are writing is made from wood that you get from the plant? The chairs, the wooden chairs that you sit, that are also made from the plant. The doors of your houses, wooden doors, the windows, etc. are all made from the wood of the plant. The firewood. Firewood is also a new term to you. What is this firewood? In earlier days, what happened that there were no gas, no induction, no microwaves. So people used to cook with the help of this firewood that which they used to get from the plant. And this firewood is also used in hilly areas where it is very cold. They keep it in the fireplaces to burn fire, which give people warmth. Nowadays also firewood is in remote areas. People use firewood to cook food. Now I will show you one by one few things. Have a look. I have taught you about the fruits. I have brought for you some fruits. You recognize what are those? I can see you also recognize them. Next are the vegetables. These all are vegetables. This cabbage, this is the cabbage. It is this leaf of this cabbage we eat, and this is a leafy vegetable. Then root, carrot. Carrot is the root of the plant, and these vegetables are also there. Now, next we will go to the cereals. You see, I don't have the wheat with me, so I have brought one bowl of rice for you. This rice is cooked in a pot and you eat it. These are the pulses. This is masoor or lentil, and this one is moong. How colorful they are. Now let us come to the nuts. I have got only one nut, so I have brought it for you. These are the almonds. Very tasty. Few other nuts are also there. You know it. Now, fibers. I said you about the fibers. You see, I have brought one rope for you. This rope is made from the jute plant. Another thing, this piece I don't have sack, for that I have brought this handmade thing which is made from jute. This bag is also made from jute. So children, today up to this, and next day I shall meet you again with some other portions from this chapter. And to know about this chapter more, the portion which I have taught, you visit our Krishnanagar Academy's website. Thank you, children.